Big news for Gmail users. Google is finally letting people change their Gmail address without creating a whole new account, something users have been asking for years. Until now, once you picked an @gmail.com address, you were stuck with it forever. If you wanted something more professional, you had to start over and manually move everything. That's finally changing. According to Google's support documentation, which is rolling out gradually, users will soon be able to switch to a new Gmail username while keeping the same account. Your old address becomes an alias, meaning it still receives emails and you can log into Gmail, YouTube, Drive, and other Google services with either address. Nothing gets deleted. There are limits. You can only change your address once per year, up to 3 times total, and you can't remove a new address for at least a year. The feature isn't live for everyone yet, but signs point to a wider rollout soon. This is long overdue. A lot of people are still stuck with email names they chose years ago, and forcing a full account reset was unnecessary. This update is a big quality of life win and finally puts Gmail closer to competitors like Outlook and Proton. If this reaches your account soon, it might be time to retire that old email handle you've been embarrassed about since 2008.